In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video call using Microsoft Teams. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each part to ensure you feel confident using this feature for your meetings and personal chats alike. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Teams. If you're not signed in automatically, be sure to enter your login credentials, and then you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Teams dashboard. Here, you can see your teams, channels, recent activity, and more. But our focus today is going to be on the chat functionality. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see an icon labeled Chat. Go ahead and click on that. Chat is where you find both your one-on-one conversations and group chats. This is where you will initiate your video call, so it's an important part of the process. Once you've clicked on Chat, you'll see a list of all the people you've previously interacted with. You can either select someone from your existing chat list, or if this is a new interaction, you can start a new chat by using the search bar at the top of the screen to find the specific person you wish to connect with. After you've selected the person you want to video call, you'll notice there are a few icons at the top right of the chat window. Among these icons, look for the video camera icon. Clicking this icon will initiate a video call with the person you're chatting with. Microsoft Teams makes it pretty seamless by allowing you to stay in the chat while the video call launches in a separate window. Video calling in Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to enhance communication. It brings that face-to-face interaction we all crave in our digital conversations, making meetings and check-ins much more engaging. Remember, for the best video call experience, both you and the person you're calling should have a stable internet connection and a working webcam and microphone. And with that simple click, you are now in a video call. You can see the person on the other line, converse easily, and even share your screen if you need to discuss specific documents or presentations. It's really as easy as that. Once your call is complete, just end the call by clicking the red phone icon at the bottom of your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully made a video call using Microsoft Teams. This tool is a powerful ally in remote work, online classes, or keeping in touch with personal connections. So I encourage you to get comfortable with it and explore all it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy video calling!